Making friends out of strangers. Develop genuine love for others in your heart, and then others cannot but love you in return. People, normally preoccupied with their family members and a small circle of friends, do not generally want to be familiar with strangers. They take strangers to be others. This kind of thinking is based simply on suppositions about others, and sometimes such suppositions are unfounded. Experience shows that it's perfectly possible to make friends out of strangers. Swami Rama Tirath, a human of considerable education, decided in the last decade of the 19th century to visit the US, in spite of not having enough money to finance his stay, or there being no Indians to receive him on the American soil. After a long sea voyage, he reached the American coast, where he disembarked along with other passengers. There were many Americans who had come to receive their friends and relatives at the port, but Swami Ram Tirath eventually found himself walking all alone in a corner of the port. An American, seeing him there, approached him and asked, "Do you have any friends in America?" Swami Ram Tirath said, "Yes, there is one friend, and that friend is here." Saying this, he embraced the American. This kind of behavior was unexpected, and the American was much impressed. He said, "Yes, I'm your friend." And then he took him to their home. Swami Ram Tirath remained their guest till he left America for India. This example has a great lesson. It is that no one is a stranger to you, everyone is a potential friend. Just behave in a friendly way and accept others as your sisters and brothers. If you sincerely adopt this friendly attitude, you will find that everyone is your friend and no one is alien. The whole world is really a single family because of common ancestors, Adam and Eve. It is only distance that makes you a stranger. If you eliminate the distance, nature will prevail, and all men and women will be like brothers and sisters to you. This formula for friendship is very simple. If you're truly a friend to others, then you can safely predict they will also become your friends. Develop genuine love for others in your heart, so they cannot but love you in return. A philosopher once rightly said that a human keeps radiating certain feelings all the time. If you are a compassionate person and you're radiating compassion, then others are bound to receive those radiations of compassion from you. This is the law of nature. You will then therefore receive a positive response to positive radiation and a negative response to a negative radiation. The only condition in this regard is that you should be a selfless person. Positive behavior combined with selflessness always works. It is selflessness that makes your behavior ring true. On the contrary, if you're a selfish person, your behavior will be that of a salesperson. The formula for successful life is simple. Abide by your own nature and you will be a successful person. A philosopher once aptly remarked that everyone is born like an angel, but after receiving negative impulses from their environment, they become otherwise. So return to your original nature and you will be acceptable to all.